What's going on, guys? Jonny Bubbles back with another video. Today I am going to be cleaning these checkered Vans that, as you can see, are not looking so nice. I'm honestly not sure what happened when they got these dirty. I was in Toronto at SneakerCon, so I didn't get the pleasure of getting these dirty, but I do get the pleasure of cleaning them up with Reshoevn8r's advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system and sneaker laundry detergent that you can find at Reshoevn8r.com. But let's not wait any longer, guys. Let's get bubbly. For this video, guys, I am only going to be cleaning the left side, so I'm going to put the right one to the side. Now the first step, guys, remove the laces. Now that the laces are removed, guys, the next step is to grab your adjustable shoe tree and adjust it to size. These are a size 8, so it's gonna probably be about the 5th hole up here. So we're gonna go ahead and just move it. Let's see, right there. Awesome. What that's gonna allow me to do, guys, is apply more pressure on this toe box and help keep the form of the shoe. All right, guys, so the next step after inserting the shoe tree is to grab our bottle solution. Now I have about 4 ounces of water in our collapsible bowl here, so you wanna always mix that. Boom, and then I'm gonna begin cleaning the uppers using the soft bristle brush. Okay. All right, guys, so anytime you're cleaning a dyed suede such as these Vans, you always want to be careful not to get too crazy with it. Now for this pair, I'm not too worried because we are going to be putting it in the wash, so I'm not sure if the suede or the checkered part is going to bleed or fade. Now, while I'm cleaning this back heel right here, I do notice that a lot of that black dye is coming off onto the brush. So my assumption is that it is going to bleed color. I'm not sure how bad. But you always just want to make sure that whenever you're cleaning the dyed suede and you're not going to put it in the wash, don't oversaturate it. You want to dip your brush, try to get as much of that water solution out, and then you can go ahead and clean the shoe perfectly fine. So just be aware that most dyed suede is going to fade a little bit or bleed color. All right, guys, I am done cleaning the uppers with that soft bristle brush. Now, I'm not sure if you can pick it up on camera, but the suede doesn't look like it's faded that much color. It still looks very dark and perfect, to be honest with you. But the main concern is on this checkered part here. I do see that a little bit of that black suede did go into the material here. I'm not sure if it'll come out in the laundry system. As well as whatever was poured on it, whether, I don't know if it was like a smoothie or a shake, you can still kind of see it in certain sections here in the checkered. So hopefully it comes out. What I'm gonna go ahead and do just for a deeper cleaning is use the medium brush on the checkered part, and then I'll just go ahead and move on to the midsole with that same medium bristle brush. I just seen it when I walked in. So there you go, guys. Midsoles are looking super crispy after using that medium brush. Now the next step is to clean the outsole. Doesn't look too bad. There's a few little dirt stains here and there. So the stiff brush should take care of it and do its thing. Let me go ahead and grab that stiff brush now. So there you go, guys. Go ahead and check out the shoe. I am done cleaning the entire uppers and the outsole with that stiff bristle brush. Now there is a few little dirt that are deep in there that I couldn't get out, but I'm not too worried about it. I'm sure the laundry system will go ahead and do its thing. Now the next step, guys, is gonna be to clean the laces. So all you have to do is just grab them. As you can see how dirty they are. They're pretty filthy. Just dip them in the bowl of solution and water mixture. Scrub them. Next, guys, is to grab our sneaker laundry bag. Gonna put the shoe in there. Cut. Real quick, guys, I got a brief message for our European customers. We heard you guys want faster shipping, so we got you. We now offer fulfillment in the EU, which means faster shipping time, a better shipping rate, and of course, more Reshoevn8r for you guys, right? So like, I'm super excited for it. I hope you guys are excited for it. So this is strictly for our European customers. Make sure you tune in for this weekend. We got something special for you guys. Make sure you follow us on Instagram to get all the details. I'm Jonny Bubbles, and I'll catch you guys later. Action! Boom. Let's go put these in the wash. All right, guys, we are now in the laundry room. The next step is to put the shoes in the wash. Now, this washer doesn't have like that little agitator in the middle, so which is cool. Next step is to pull out the little tray here, grab our sneaker laundry detergent, loosen the cap, squeeze it to about an ounce. And next step, just pour it in the little tray here. Turn this on. You always want to do a normal cycle, cold water. Just normal spin is fine. And let's go ahead and start it up. We are back. I went ahead and let these dry for a few days, and as you can see, they cleaned up super nice. However, there is one little flaw that did happen, guys, and that is the suede. As I mentioned earlier in the video, anytime you are cleaning a dyed suede, you do risk the chance of it bleeding, and unfortunately that happened all over the checkered print here, and there's nothing that we can do about it. I can throw this in the washer 100 times and it's not gonna remove it. So keep that in mind. Next time you wear a pair of checkered Vans, just use some repellent. Protect it with some repellent so that way you don't have to go through this process. But anyways, guys, the next step is to reset the nap on the suede. Now it is feeling a little crunchy here, up here where the lace hoops are, and then on the back heel tab as well. So I'm gonna do that with Reshoevn8r's brass bristle brush, and then I'm gonna hit it with some almighty Mink oil to bring back some of that color. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, guys, real quick tip. Anytime you are resetting the nap on suede, you wanna make sure you only go in one direction at a time. You never wanna go back and forth, but you also wanna hit it in multiple directions. So the way that you do that is go one direction, turn the shoe, go ahead in another direction, and that'll go ahead and ensure that you get a real good, even resetting of the nap. All right, guys, so don't worry if a little bit of that suede starts to come off. That's just the crunchiness leaving the shoe.
You need help with that, dude?
No, because you're gonna just blow it on my shirt, dude. So I'm good on the help, Jake, thank you. So now that the nap is reset, guys, you wanna go ahead and grab the almighty Mink oil. Now we are indoors, but it's well ventilated in here. I don't recommend you spraying this indoors. Definitely go outside and spray it, but it's all right. This isn't the worst thing. Jake's inhaled, right, Jake? All right, guys, now that the Mink oil is applied, you always want to take a soft bristle brush and then go ahead and just brush it into the material. As you can see, that black color came back pretty quickly, like it just took a few sprays and it's looking super nice. So just go ahead and brush in that Mink oil. All right, guys, so I am completely done with this shoe. Go ahead and check it out. Like I mentioned before, I'm not too psyched about the bleeding on the pattern there, but overall, I am satisfied with the cleaning. It's clearly a difference when you see it side by side, which is super dope. Now, guys, I was able to achieve these results using Reshoevn8r's advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system and sneaker laundry detergent that is available at Reshoevn8r.com. Not to forget Vic Almighty's Mink oil and our brass bristle brush, which will be linked in the description below as well. That's gonna wrap it up, guys. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you know every time we post a video. I'm Jonny Bubbles. I'll see you guys next time.